A violent rollover, and you won't believe what caused it. A sneezing fit. That's right, the driver says he had an allergy attack, started sneezing, then lost control of his SUV outside Nashville. Sneezing can be dangerous when you're behind the wheel of a car. Your eyes close involuntarily when you sneeze. You can't help it. According to one study, when you sneeze while driving, you travel at least 50 feet. It can be an accident just waiting to happen. According to one report, thousands of car crashes occur each week due to sneezing.
When you're sneezing, whatever's irritated your nose then triggers a reaction in your brain that causes many things. In addition to your eyes closing, you'll see the throat closing up as well. You're going to have the tongue going to the roof of your mouth. A sudden rush of air is going to come out through your nose and your mouth very forcefully to the point that you really are not in control of any other part of your body at that moment, and you can't focus consciously on anything else until that sneeze has passed.
The 42-year-old driver of the SUV is lucky. Good Samaritans rushed to his aid, 8 men in total, and working as a team, turned the car upright. When the driver got out, he looked dazed, but was otherwise okay, according to police. As he checked for damage to his vehicle, smoke began to pour out. Suddenly, an eruption of flames. There goes the SUV. All this because of a sneeze. So how can you avoid a sneezing accident? Experts say try to pull over if you feel a sneeze coming on and leave 4 car lengths between you and the vehicle in front of you in case you suddenly sneeze.